Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the year's first council meeting of the Clarendon Municipal Corporation ended abruptly following a clash between the chairman, Joel Williams, and minority leader, Sean Barneswell.
As we hear in this report, the chairman says the work of the corporation will go on.
But the PNP councillors want to broker an agreement for more power in the chamber.
The meeting was called to order, but it ended as quickly as it started. Welcome and apologies, minutes, corrections, and confirmation. Then the opening remarks from Chairman of the Clarendon Municipal Corporation, Joel Williams.
I am aware that there may be some discontent among my colleagues from the People's National Party regarding the Local Government Act, which legislate my continued tenure as mayor. It is worth noting, however, that this very act was legislated under the People's National Party administration.
I'm sorry, but I cannot.
No.
That triggered this comment from Minority Leader Sean Barneswell and the subsequent adjournment of the meeting.
If the chairman cannot recognize
Member.
no longer minority
Member.
then we cannot no longer
Member.
in this fashion.
Member.
And I think my members
Member.
also say the words here.
This meeting stand adjourned.
The Clarendon Municipal Corporation is tied 11-11 after the People's National Party's victory in the by-election in the Town division. The PNP has the popular vote, which would usually mean it has control of the corporation. However, the law says that the tiebreaker only applies during a local government election, not a by-election. The chairman is therefore accusing the PNP councillors of grandstanding. This is the second time a meeting has ended abruptly since the by-election in November 2024.
So if they don't want to have a meeting, we will continue. The administration and the rest of councillors will continue to make sure that we do what needs to be done to keep the council going.
Surrounded by his colleagues on the outside, Mr. Barneswell says it cannot be business as usual. He revealed that the issue has become a legal matter. Mr. Barneswell says there has been attempts to speak with the mayor about changes to the corporation to foster more equity, but he's not been forthcoming. Of concern are the committees that are largely chaired by the JLP councillors.
Most of the members in these committee meetings are from the Jamaica Labour Party councillors. So we want to have that conversation as it relates to what can we do in moving forward. But he refused to entertain that conversation, and as such he abruptly adjourned the meeting.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.